So these are the rooted elderberry cuttings. So this is wrapped in kitchen towel, damp kitchen towel. Right? Just keep it moist. Don't wet it too much so that it doesn't drip or anything. And this is a plastic wrap. So what I do is I take some plastic wrap and make sure that this is properly wrapped so that the water is contained within this. Like to give it 2 layers of protection just in case, so that it doesn't, the water doesn't get out, and the packaging itself doesn't get wet and get damaged, right? So I just give 2 layers of protection here with this plastic wrap, and we are ready to ship it out. So this is our packing carton for a bulk of these. Now before I send them across, I take some painter's tape. Just make sure that the stems, they stick well to the plastic wrapping, right? So that they don't just slip out. So once that is done, we place them here in the middle and the other way, and for our convenience or convention, so I find the bottom of this sheet using this mark, bottom of this box using this mark, and I make sure that the weight is towards the bottom, so that when we keep it, when we transport it, we know how to keep it so that the roots have a bit more time to absorb the water. And I take these packing tapes and secure these cuttings to the box so that they won't bounce around during their journey to your homes, right? So once they are taped, they won't move around, so no damages to the stems and the budding leaves. And then we just close the box. And once it's closed, I'll secure it with a bit more packing tape so that the boxes don't open or anything accidentally during their journey. So I close them here. Similarly over here. Close them out, and we are almost ready to tape them up. So to tape them up, I take another piece. I usually tape them at 3 places. First one here at the top, so that the top of the box doesn't open up accidentally, just to add some structural integrity to the packaging. The second one here at the bottom, so that it doesn't open up accidentally. They won't, but it's just an extra precaution. And the last one around the middle, so that the box have some protection like this. Yep. So that's how I pack them up. And the last step is, for affixing the package labels. I don't want to show the customer names just for their privacy, but I just peel them, I just print them 2 in a sheet and just stick them on. That's it. And this is how I go with the tape, the labels. So that's pretty much it. Yep, ready for shipment.